Welcome to Declaration SolidWorks CADCam Practice 30. Today we are going to create 3D model random part 14. Here's the detailed drawing of the 3D model random part 14. So you can see that side view, front view and the top view. This 3D model random part 14 is very simple model. So we are going to use both Extrude and CADCam to create this model. So first of all we are going to create the side view at the total, and then we are going to cut this area, cut to inside and this area. So we are going to have few different methods to create this 3D model random part 14. So now we are going to start with the front view. So using the front plane, I'm going to create the shape. So I'm going to create the command line. The first point I'm going to take from the origin here, and then I'm going to create the arc like this, and here to here. Or I'm just going to create a shape like this first. And then I'm going to give the dimension. This one is about 35, and there's about 36.5. The distance over here is 25, and this distance is 4.5. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. I'm going to exit, sketch, extrude base. I'm going to use mid plane command, and the total distance is 55. Alright. Okay, now we have the shape like this. So now I'm going to cut the circle first, semi here, second followed by this face, third here, and fourth cut through the shape. Okay, I'm going to select this face, create a new sketch, and then I'm going to convert this line into this sketch, and then I'm going to use 3-point arc, which means first point over here, second point over here, and then I'm going to create a shape like this. And then they said the distance from here to here is 9. So now I'm going to give the dimension to the circle, which is the radius is 29.5. Alright, our sketch is fully defined. I'm going to complete the loop of this shape. Yes, and then I'm going to exit sketch. I'm going to extrude cut, and the distance is about 17.5. Alright, so we complete our second feature, which is cut the area over here. So the third one is I'm going to cut this area. For that, I'm going to select this plane. For the plane, I'm going to convert the entities this and this first, and then I'm going to select from here to here, like this, from this edge a certain distance to here. And yeah, now we can see that the distance from, I'm going to give a dimension, the distance from here to here, the bottom line is 6 mm. Okay, our sketch is fully defined now. I'm going to exit the sketch. I'm going to use the extrude cut features, and then I'm going to extrude cut this until, okay, you can see that from the feature drawing, it's offset from this surface, which is 7.5. So I'm going to select the offset from surface command. I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to give the dimension, which is 7.5. Alright, so we complete our third feature in the 3D model random part 14. Now I'm going to cut this area, and then followed by this. So for this area, I'm going to use this face, create a new sketch, and then I'm going to use corner rectangle, and the corner point I'm going to use this one. And yeah, you can give the dimension, which is the width is 11, and the height is 8.5. Exit sketch, and then use the cut extrude. I'm going to use through all both. Alright, we finished the fourth feature. Finally, we are going to cut through here. For that, I'm going to use this face, and then I'm going to create a rectangle like this, and then the dimension is, this one is 7.5, this one is 9.5, and then from here to this edge is 6.5, from here to here is 9.5. Alright, our sketch is fully defined. Exit sketch, extrude cut, we can use to all both, and we complete our 3D model random part 14 using 1 boss extrude feature and 4 cut extrude feature. So we complete our 3D model here using the simple method. And that's all from me for this video today. Stay tuned for more video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned and thank you.